Hey there, welcome modelers. I'm Skip with Skip-O-Matic's Model Mania. This episode I'm showing you my Weirdos build of the Drag Hag. And she is a hag. Look at that beauty. Yes sir, put her on a pedestal. Anyway, basically these are pretty simple kits. They're fun kits. They're cool. The wheels and the shifter I did, and the axle here like that were painted with Krylon original chrome. The handlebars and the headers are a Molotow chrome pen. Everything else is pretty much craft paint. The carriage body, that is Tester's Deja Blue. It's a really nice blue. It's got a nice metallic to it. I'll do a close-up here in a minute and you'll be able to really see it. The hat on the kit, the hat's molded to in the whole thing, and there's no brim on it. And I know it's probably supposed to look like a wizard's hat or something because she's a witch, I'm assuming. And so I wanted to put a brim on that hat, make it look more like a witch's hat. So that's just a piece of styrene that I cut. I used some cardstock, made a template, fit the cardstock once I had it the way I wanted it and fitting right. And then I used it as a pattern to cut out the piece of styrene. And I just slipped it over, put some glue on it, filled in the gaps with glue, let it dry, and then painted the hat. That's just black craft paint. It's all brush painted. And the hair I added, that's just some, she's shedding. Kind of like the dogs. The dog she is. The hair is just some craft hair I got from Hobby Lobby. And, even the shoes is craft paint. Her little ruby slippers, that's just like a red glitter craft paint. I just hand painted the Drag Hag and her class numbers, class letterings was all hand painted. I did use the decal for the sign. Again, that's all just craft paints. The eyes on her and little baby Huey in there, I clear coated those. And used a little bit of gloss on her tongue and her lips. She uses lip gloss. She's got to look nice. So let me zoom in a little bit on this. You'll see that blue paint a little better, and maybe see little baby Huey in there. Yeah, he's in there. He's tuning that engine. There she is, ready to go down the drag strip. Can't imagine going down the strip in some contraption like that. Hey, what she got to lose, Fun kit, fun builds. I like these. I got, I believe I have all the Weirdos kits in this whole series. Hopefully one day I'll have them all painted and or assembled and painted and have the whole collection done. That's one of my goals in life. Gotta have high goals. Gotta set those goals high. So there she is. Come back out. And there we go. Go let her run around there for a minute. Kind of let you feast your eyes on that beauty queen. And then we'll be signing out. That's it for this one. Quick and easy. So thanks for stopping by. Appreciate everybody watching these. If you hit like. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed and you want to be able to come back and find me easier. And check out my Facebook page, Skip-O-Matic's Model Mania on Facebook. There's more insanity like this on there. I'm just posting something stupid on there, or model related or model industry related. And anyway, thanks for stopping by. Come back, see the next ones. And in the meantime, we'll see you then. Catch you later.